welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khushbu Ankit Gandhi and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care and everything related. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel because you do not want to miss on my awesome content. December is undoubtedly my most favorite month of the year and I will be teaching you this full-on glitz and glamoury, smoky, glittery eye makeup look with bold lipstick so that I can prepare you for the onslaught of festivities that is going to come. And the best part is that the Amazon end of season sale is starting from 23rd December. Trust me guys, the discounts are crazier than ever. I checked out the whole beauty segment and the discounts are crazy. Everything that I'll use today in this video are the products that I've got from Amazon, and most of them were on Prime delivery basis. Like, I just ordered them and I got them in a day's time, in one day. So I think it's the best time to stock the website and order whatever you want. And now let's quickly begin the tutorial for this ultra glamorous glittery smoky eye with a bold red lip.
To begin with, I am using the Garnier Micellar cleansing water to cleanse my face. It is very important to have the right canvas before you put on any makeup, and even though I thought my face is clean, but you can see so much dust and grime has come out of it. Now for the skin prep, I am using the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Micro Crystal Essence. The beauty of this product is that it penetrates deep inside and doesn't feel heavy. For my primer, I am using the Silk Blur Primer from Plume. The benefit is that it doubles up as a moisturizer and as a primer, and I have a dry skin type and in winters it works the best. I am using the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in this shade Pure Beige. I am using it as an eye base, and once I've applied the product, I'm using a flat brush to even it out. It is very important to have the right base, and you can see that I am trying to make sure that the base is even, and I'll keep on patting it till the time I am satisfied with it. Once done, I am picking my Makeup Revolution palette. It has gorgeous shades of browns, and this is the only palette that I'll be using today. So from the lighter color, I am just putting it all on my eyelid because it will create like an eye base. Then I am taking this brown pencil from Lakme Iconic and I'm trying to create an inverted C. I will fill it in because it's a gel pencil. It is slightly harder to work with, but you can see that you have to create the smaller C, leave edges and leave the inside corners. Once I've created the C, I will start blending it. This is a Plume brush that I'm using, which is perfect because it's small and it blends really well. I will start blending it. You have to do one eye at the time because it dries up really quickly, so you want the formula not to dry. After that, I'm taking a dark brown color and just applying over the base color as it is. I'm not spreading it a lot. I'm just trying to create a very opaque base. For the insides, I'll always stretch my eyes so that I don't get the color towards the nose area. Then I'll take the black color and reapply it only on the outer corner because I just want some intensity over there. I don't want to go on the inner corner because there the glitter will come. Once I'm done with the black, I will pick up another dark brown shade and using a fluffy brush, I'll just blend it on the outer side because I don't want the black and the brown and the light brown to be separated. And now comes the fun part. I am taking this loose glitter that I got from Amazon, a makeup fixer and a flat brush. I will generously spray this makeup fixer on the brush and then I will dip this brush on the glitter pot, and you will see so much glitter has come out of it, and then very carefully I will start applying it. Fallout will be there, but you don't have to worry about it. I'll just start sticking the glitter and I'll keep on sticking it till the time I have reached a point where I'm happy with the glitter application. You can make it as intense and as light as you want. Because I want a full-on glitter glamour look, I am definitely going high on glitter. So once I'm done with it, I'm using a tape to take out all the excess glitter. In my personal opinion, double tapes work better than regular cello tapes, and you will see in just like one exercise so much of glitter has come out of it. Now I'll be using the gel eyeliner from Maybelline to apply an eyeliner. I would advise you to use a gel eyeliner only, because with this kind of look, gel eyeliners look really well because they blend in with the black of the smoky part. Now for the eyebrows, I'm also using a fun technique which is called the soap brows. So I am using this spoolie, and I have rubbed it on a soap which was slightly wet, and then I am just using it to set my brows. So this is a technique which is used to give brows a little separated look. Then from the same palette, I'm taking this dark brown color on the brush side. It is an angular brush from Plume, and I am applying it all over my eyebrow. So this is going to give it really sharp and really bold eyebrows. With a bold eye makeup look, it is important to have bold eyebrows. So once I'm done with the eyebrows, I'll reapply a little bit of primer because I thought it got erased in the whole glitter removal process. Once I'm done with it, I'll start concealing. I'm using the same LA Girl HD concealer in the shade beige. My skin is quite problematic these days, and because we are going for a heavy glam look, I want to go conceal really well. I have this small red patch over here. Everything conceals really well with this product. It is definitely like my number one concealer, I would say. Now I'm setting the concealer using a flat brush. You don't want to spread it, you don't want to smudge it, you just want to set it. For my foundation today, I'm using Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. Because it's a serum based foundation, it works really well in winters because it's not a drying formula, and once I apply it and once it sets, it looks really well on my face. Make sure when you're applying the foundation, you set it well with a beauty blender, and never forget your neck area and the top of your forehead, because the whole frame should look one. And definitely a lot of people forget their neck and their ears, which is a huge no. After that, I'm using the Fit Me loose powder to set everything up. This is a precautionary step because once you're going to Christmas parties and New Year's party, you want the makeup to be really long lasting. So this is just like a precautionary step that I am doing. Now coming back to my eye makeup, I'm using the same Maybelline gel liner and applying a really sharp kajal. Now I'm taking a small dome brush from PSC. I have not put any extra product in it, but I'm just started blending it. So a little bit of kajal will come on it and it will give it a very nice smoky effect. Now it is up to you. Once you're done with the blending, you can leave it at this point, or you can intensify it using a little bit of more black color, the way I am doing it over here, and immediately the whole look will intensify so much. One precaution that you have to always remember is that once you take the black color on your brush, always tap it so that the extra product is gone and there's no fallout. So now when I'm done with the eyes, I'll definitely put on my Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect lashes. These are like super gorgeous lashes which give that instant dramatic effect to my eyes. For my mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise mascara. It gives me that instant volume that I really want, and I always put my mascara after my lashes. For the contouring today, I'm using the Hoola bronzer. I am not using any cream contour or a very intense color contour because I don't want that. My eye makeup is bold, my eyes are bold. So I want the contour, the face to be a little on the softer side. I apply contour on the cheekbones, on the jawline, on my nose, on my forehead because I have a really big forehead, so I have to cover that also. For my blush today, I'm taking this Sugar blush. It's a nice pink color. It's not pink, it's more like on a dark, deep magenta color. But on my cheeks, once I blend it really well, it looks nice and perfect for a winter party, I would say. I use this really fluffy brush from Plume for my blush application because it gives me good coverage. And I also apply blush a little bit on my nose and on my chin to give me that wintry effect. For my highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome. Has to be my favorite, and I broke it. I don't know how. So I am just going a little overboard with the highlighter on my cheeks, on my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, a little above my eyebrows, and a little on the brow bone. So yes, with highlighter, I'm going over the top because it's New Year's, it's Christmas, and I want to be like the blingy person in the party. For my lip color, I'm taking this Kiro lip color. I'm obviously a fan of it. I have huge dedicated video on Kiro lipstick. So yeah, with this, my look is complete, and now I'll do my hair and ta-da! This is the final look, guys. I mean, look at it. Glitter on the eyes, red on the lips. It's just beyond perfect. Just perfect for a Christmas party, a New Year's party. It's so beautiful. I just love when the whole makeup turned out, I was so happy. And if you look at the close-up of the eyes, It is so dramatic, so sexy. I mean, the glitter, the lashes, the smoky effect, everything is just falling into place. I love it.
So this is the final look, guys. I mean, I just love the way it has turned out. I mean, I wanted it to be bold and sexy and, you know, a look that is screaming party, and it is doing everything. I mean, this glitter smoky eye, so easy to create, such reasonable products I have used, but look at the end result. Everything put together, it's just looking so nice, so damn sexy. One thing that I always preach is that you don't necessarily need high-end products. You can work with drugstore products and still create awesome looks. This is just a live example for it. You know, I've used only drugstore products. All of them were ordered from Amazon, and the end result is in front of you guys. And yeah, this was pretty much from my side today. I really hope that you end this year with a blast and you begin a new one with lots of hopes and lots of excitement. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.